guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this panning motion on the CapCut PC app. Select your video and I'm just going to zoom in a little bit on it first. Then I'm going to add in a keyframe here and then another keyframe here. Then on the second one I'm going to move it, for instance, to the right. Then I'm just going to right click, show keyframe animation, and on the position and size, I'm going to select graphs here and I'm going to select the ease in. Then I'm just going to, I'm going to add keyframes here instead of there, and I'm just going to, for instance, move it here, add another, graph, and then here as well, I'm going to add another keyframe. Then add in another one. Okay, need to add it on the second one, I suppose. Oops. There you go. Sorry, you have to select the keyframe first to add in the graphs, and that's it. Just keep on doing that. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comments section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!